Sugarcane, with its tall stalks and sweet rewards, has been a staple crop for centuries. If you're eager to cultivate this delicious and versatile plant, this comprehensive guide will lead you through the process of planting and growing sugarcane successfully. From selecting the right variety to nurturing your crop until harvest, get ready to embark on a sweet journey of sugarcane cultivation. 1. Understanding sugarcane. Learn about the fascinating history and significance of sugarcane as a global crop. Discover the different varieties available and the ideal growing conditions for this tropical plant. Identify the best location in your garden or farm for planting sugarcane. Soil type and drainage to ensure optimal growth and yield. 3. Preparing the soil. Prepare your soil with the right nutrients and amendments for sugarcane's growth. Understand the importance of soil H and proper soil aeration to create the ideal growing environment. 4. Acquiring and preparing sugarcane cuttings. Explore the process of obtaining sugarcane cuttings and preparing them for planting. Learn how to select healthy and disease-free cuttings and how to treat them for optimal rooting. 5. Planting sugarcane. Discover various planting methods, including trenching and furrow planting. Follow step-by-step instructions for planting sugarcane cuttings at the right depth and spacing for maximum growth. 6. Watering and fertilization. Understand the water needs of sugarcane at different stages of growth. Learn how to provide adequate irrigation and apply appropriate fertilizers to support healthy plant development. 7. Managing weeds and pests. Implement effective weed control measures to ensure sugarcane isn't choked by unwanted plants. Identify common pests that can affect sugarcane and explore eco-friendly pest management techniques. 8. Caring for young sugarcane plants. Nurture young sugarcane plants by providing them with the right care and attention. Discover how to shield them from extreme weather conditions and how to prevent diseases. 9. Maturation and harvesting. Learn how to recognize when sugarcane is ready for harvest and understand the best practices for cutting and storing the mature stalks. Planting sugarcane is a rewarding venture that promises a delightful harvest of sweetness. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll be well equipped to grow healthy sugarcane plants from start to finish. Cultivating this tropical crop not only offers the pleasure of homegrown sweetness, but also connects you to the rich history and cultural significance of sugarcane. Embrace the art of sugarcane cultivation and enjoy the satisfaction of reaping the sweet rewards of your labor.